Hey, good morning, my friends. Kostas here with Opa Greek Taverna, pouring myself a fresh pot of Folgers deliciousness. It's Sunday, May the 6th. Can you believe it's already May? It's mind blown. It was January yesterday, it's already May. I had so many goals for this year to achieve, and I feel like I haven't even started my goals yet, and it's already halfway through the year. Do you guys feel the same way? Anyway, I want to talk real quick about. I want to talk to you guys about some events. But before I talk about that, this is actually my first just speaking part on YouTube, where I'm just doing pure dialogue. A real quick shout out to my brother-in-law Nick. He actually gave me this halo light here, which you don't see, but I definitely see. It's like super bright. And today's video is shot on the 5D Mark IV, which is a Canon body with the 24mm Pro lens, which really enjoying. You can see all the bokeh in the back, the blurred background that's achieved by that 1.4 aperture. And audio is brought to you by Trac-Star. So I'm gonna leave a link, as all YouTubers do, to all the equipment that I use. And I'm thinking about buying this halo light. I kind of like it. It really brings your entire face out, and nothing is in shadows and stuff like that. So just trying to, learn all about YouTubing and vlogging and about that lifestyle there. So it's a lot to learn for sure. But anyway, yeah, about this week we have Geneva Messersmith, which has been a fantastic customer of Opa Greek Taverna and a really dear friend of mine. Her and her husband Jay, they actually sell these hydroponic tower gardens, and you're gonna see a awesome vlog on that soon. But we're actually gonna be releasing that on, we're gonna release it on Saturday, but we're gonna sneak it in on Thursday for you guys who are watching the video. So make sure you come in to Opa Greek Taverna to check that out. She's growing some basil, like 4 or 5 different types of mint, rosemary. Geneva, where are you at? I can't think of everything you're growing. She's growing a ton of veg for us to use on our salads, for garnishes, for cocktails, etc. Again, that's gonna be Tower Gardens by Geneva and Jay Messersmith. I will leave a link to their site below this video. That's gonna be on Friday. And also on Friday, we're so excited, and I had to pull a few strings to make this happen, but the head distiller of Deep Ellum Distillery is actually gonna be here shaking and making fantastic cocktails. The distillery has not even opened yet, and they're actually gonna be here creating some fantastic, delicious beverages for everyone to partake in. And they're actually gonna be using, go figure, fresh herbs from the herb garden that are gonna be hydroponically grown inside Opa Greek Tavern. So super excited about those 2 events coming up this weekend. And it is Mother's Day on Sunday, and we gotta take care of all the awesome moms out there. Nothing like a fresh cup of coffee to wake you up in the morning. So excuse me, guys. A little hot. The moms are doing a fantastic job out there. They're working harder than ever. They're taking care of all the kids. They deserve to be put on a pedestal. There's a reason why Mother's Day is so big. I have a 3-month-old and a 3-year-old, and the things that my wife does to take care of the family, it's beyond anything imaginable. We want to take care of you girls when you come in here. Anything else? That's it. I mean, wow, 5 years in business. May 19th is my 5-year anniversary. We definitely want you guys to come out here for the 5-year anniversary, and we're gonna be releasing Pedicolis Duke, which is their keg-aged barley wine. I want to call it a hyper rare beer. So, hyper rare beer on tap, May 19th at Opa Greek Taverna. I hope you guys come in, say hello. Hopefully this video did not bore you too much. If you guys watched to the end, I just want to say thank you so much. And I want to do a lot more of these videos where we have a little bit more dialogue. If you have any comments, questions on restaurateur, entrepreneurship, etc., just leave a comment. I want to reply to every comment I get. I love all my subscribers. I'm about this YouTube lifestyle now, and I want to really grow this thing over the next 12 months. Again, thank you guys so very much, and y'all have a fantastic day. Cheers.